Hi, Dan Cricks here, the Been There, Done That repair shop marketing guru. I've been helping shop owners grow their shop and their profits for over 20 years. I talk with shop owners several times a week, every week. And I've learned from them, other than growing their car count, their number one challenge today is finding quality techs when they need them. Finding good techs today is a marketing challenge. We've had good success helping the shops we work with find techs when they need them. This is why I put together a special report titled Finding and Hiring Quality Techs Even When Nobody Else Is. I'm giving that special report away right now for free when you order my special repair shop marketing newsletter called Straight Talkin'. To get the first edition and the special report, you pay only $4.95 for processing and postage. And I've extended the deadline to get all of this for only $4.95 until Tuesday, March 23rd. You can find out more and order the newsletter and the special report by going to autorepaircoach.com/ST. Again, there's only a few days left. So go now to autorepaircoach.com/ST.